This is Subjit Roy, Group Editor Electrical India. I welcome you to Minute to Minute, an audio-video news brief dedicated to the electrical and power sector. The Deming Prize is an award that carries great prestige in the industry sector. It is considered as the last award in the world of quality management. Recently, the Electrical Standard Product Business Unit of L&T Electrical and Automation has been awarded with this prestigious award. Dr. Hasit Joshipura, Head of L&T Electrical and Automation, speaks with us exclusively on what the award means to the company. First of all, let me congratulate you on behalf of readers of Electrical India on receiving this prestigious Deming Prize. Could you let us know more about this award?
Thank you. I just accept your congratulations on behalf of the team, because it's a specific team which has won this award, which is our switchgear business, and all the heavy lifting and all the kudos to them. Well, I don't know about L&T as a whole, because I really look after the corporate, the electrical and automation business. For us, it's very important because, number one, the legacy of this business is that they have been able to sustain market share, leadership and competitive advantage in the context of essentially 3 global players. So there are not too many parallels where a local player has been able to withstand, particularly in a technology-driven business, withstand essentially global competition and yet retain its leadership. So that in any case has been the legacy of this business. And on top of that, when you get something like the Deming, which I understand that in the history of the 70-year history of the award, no switchgear business outside of Japan has won this award. So I think it's a continuation of the same legacy, and therefore it's very satisfying for the team, I'm sure, and for the business as a whole.
So talking about the industry performance, what's on the cards for India's power sector automation industry in 2022? Well, you see, the switchgear business is directly linked to 2 things. One is innovation, and second is the economic growth, or industrial growth, more importantly. And if you therefore believe in the India story, then there is no question about the growth prospects of this industry. The second driver for innovation is for growth is going to be innovation. This is an industry where technology has been relatively stable over the last several years. But technology innovation will come, as it is coming in every other sphere of industry. And that's going to drive the second one. Already, for example, we have a large meters business. We're seeing that smart meters, automatic meter reading, is changing the way utilities operate. And I think that will also come to switchgear, where you will see more and more of remote communication enabled switchgear, intelligent switchgear. So that's going to be the other driver for growth, which will result in retrofitting on of the existing base of switchgear in the country. How do you look at the preparedness of L&T in these opportunities, whatever you would say? Well, one of the units which has won the Deming is our Switchgear Design and Development Center. And that's actually been the heart of the business, if you like, the incubator, where all new technologies come, and which has been responsible for the ability of the business to retain its competitive advantage. So I think they are working on both platform technologies as well as local customization as well. So Electroma is almost around the corner. What kind of preparedness L&T has for that? Well, you'll see when you'll see our exhibits at Electroma. We're fully prepared. I mean, it's just around the corner, as you said. So we are getting ready for it. Could you throw some light on the? Well, we always use Electroma to showcase new innovations, new products. We've had a number of them across our businesses, whether it's switchgear, whether it's meters, whether it's agri-business, whether it's even our fledgling retail business. So you'll see all of that in the Electroma. So what's the status of Schneider Electric deal? Could you tell us more about the economy? So the business transfer agreement was signed on 1st May 2018. The next milestone was clearance by Competition Commission, which came in June. We're in the process of consummating the transfer of the business. Could you let us know the time frame, at least how much time it will take? Well, regulatory approvals of various kinds are difficult to predict in this country, so I'm concerned by that. How do you see the business of L&T post sale of this division? That you have to ask L&T Corporate.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice talking to you.
And you. Thank you.
Please do not forget to hit the bell and subscribe to this channel. We will see you in our next segment later next week. Goodbye.